Alright, my name is Thomas Gazort, and this is the SA4 explanation video. In this one, we're making this video game database so that we can make new video games and then destroy video games. So, I've already gone and cloned the repo and switched to the correct branch. So now let's get in here. Actually, the first thing I want to do is make this time correct. What is the date? It is 9/21, and it is 10/11. All right. So first thing we want to do is add the new resource route. So we can do that by going in here and going to routes. Actually, this is in config. Yeah, routes. Okay. So we do get video games /new, because we're creating a new one, to video games new as, and we want to call it new. Let me confirm that this is the correct way that it looks. Get that new to new as new video game is what I should probably call it. Just keep it consistent. New video game. Okay, that is that step done. Whoops. It's what, 10:12. It's not 10 a.m., but I can't be bothered to switch it. Controller, add it to the controller. Okay, so we do that. Go into controllers, video game controller, get a def new, and at games. I guess that game equals video game dot new, I think is how we do it. Let's see. Yeah, and then we need to render it. Let's close this for now. Render new. All right, I believe that's that. Yep. Okay. All right. Add the new view with the new form. So what we want to do for that is go into these views file, video games, then create a new file called new.html.erb. Call it .erb because it embeds some Ruby into it. Let's make a header. Add new video game. Alright, and to be honest, I don't remember how Ruby forms work. This isn't something that I feel like I'm going to remember, so I'm going to copy it. I hope that's okay. What this is doing is it's getting form with the model. Let me switch it to what it'll actually be so it's easier to explain. Form with model game. To-dos path, what would it be? Be video games path, yeah. So this is saying get the form with the model game, which is what we put in, go to the video games path, model method, it's posting because it's creating new data. Here's the data, and then do F. And now F is the forms that we're adding. So we add a form with all of the information, which we can find here. So we got a title, year, publisher, and genre. So let me look at the example again. Title what? Title, year, publisher, genre. So we probably do text fields for all those except for the integer one, which is a number field. So percent f dot text field. It's a text underscore field, yes. Title. Copy this 4 times. I guess 3. This one is going to be a number field actually. It's going to be year. Let's go back here. Year, publisher, genre. Genre. Okay. That is that. 1017. Now we have to add the router for the post method so that we're posting it into the database. No, skipped it. We're going to make the index link to this new. So go here. We already have this create video game, so we want this to be a link to. Let's see if I can remember this. Probably can't. I'm going to keep this here actually. Actually, I'll just change these to, no, I can't do that. Equals link to, ooh, awesome. That is nice. What would the path be called? It'd be called new video game path, I think. That might be wrong, but we'll see right now. I won't add that until I'm confirmed that it's correct. Rails S. It's gonna get mad at me, I have a feeling. No, not yet. That's good. Localhost. What is it called? Video games. Video game. Should be video games. Oh, yeah, I get this error quite a bit. Let me grab that here. It's saying that I didn't migrate the DB. That is an issue that I get. So let me pull it from here. I just got to go back to that and do that. Where am I looking for? Here, here. Which is the one about database? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, except I want where's the correct one? Should be one with DBC, but I think I just add DBC to it, so. I think that is the correct command. All right, let's try it. Okay, it's different def new. I am used to Python syntax, so I added a colon. That's the issue there. Delete that. Okay. Let's start with that. Oh, yeah, duh. Oh, it did the whole thing. Okay, that's nice to know in the future. And awesome. So let's add a I guess a bug physics here. How do I do this? I'm not super familiar with whatever this is called, Excel. Awesome. Bug fix, DB migration, other syntax fixes. Yeah, whatever. I'll just say that I did that. It's kind of not perfectly correct, whatever. Yeah. So let's see if this works. It gets me there, but it's only doing one. Why is it only doing one? It's weird. Curious what it sees. Name, video game genre, ID, video game genre. Why is genre the only one that it knows? That's strange. What am I looking for? Whoops. Can't Control Z that. Oh, it's supposed to be equals. What? There we go. Awesome. Oh, and then I need a submit as well. So I'll add that now. And we should be good now. Awesome. So I'll add another bug fix thing. Is 25. Okay. Looks like we got that post create route. Okay. So what we're doing for that is now we get everything in place. Now we want this button to actually do something. In order for it to actually go to the database, we need to have a post method, because posting is sending something to the database in HTTP. So what am I looking for here? There's specific orderings you have to do. Do it before new. Post video games to no video games are great. And then the next step is to make that create controller thing. What am I trying to do here? Yeah, this one's a little bit more involved because we also have to make the success and fail things. Although, does it even say we have to do that? Doesn't say we have to, but I'm going to assume that we do. And if not, then I'm just doing extra work, and that's fine. Yeah, so we want to make it create, and yeah. That game equals what? Yeah, okay. So what we're doing here is game.new, and then if I add that, yeah. And then I have to say what it is sending in. So that would be title, year. I think it has to be in order. It's either genre or publisher. Don't remember the order though. Doesn't say in there. Publisher then genre. Good thing I checked. Publisher. Genre. Okay. Now for the checking part. I don't remember how to do this off the top of my head, but what we basically do is if it saves correctly, we flash a success and redirect. If it doesn't, we flash a failure and redirect. So if at game.save and else end. Put this up there. How do we do it? We do the flash a success. There's two C's. What? Video game successfully created. Yay. Then you redirect to video games URL. Else you flash, what is it called? Flash.now. I don't know why it's now on this version. Maybe that makes it so it doesn't actually do whatever it was going to do. Sure. Then I'm not sure what we do here. Render new status unproducible entity. I'm just going to copy this. This is saying go back to the creation page, and then don't really know what this does. Probably some behind the scenes Ruby stuff. Also, I did not put that where I need to. It needs to go under the else. I personally don't really like this, the way that Ruby does it here, but whatever. Okay. Let's see what errors I have. here. Else that'll rescue. If end else end create end. Don't know why that is not working. Oh, you don't add an end. Okay. Awesome. Create video game. Something integer. This game was created in 8766. It's a feature game. All right. Video games controller. Where did I say video games? Video games path. Should be video game path. No. Video games. Uninitialized constant videos games. Okay, where do I say videos? Videos games. That's not what I want. Yes. Actually, no, I don't want that. Whoops. Okay. Video games controller. It's video game. Param is empty, or the value is empty. Game. Game. Should it be video game then? Video underscore game? Nice. It's not game. Oh, parameter is missing. Title, year, publisher, genre. Looking at the wrong issue. Title, year, publisher, genre. Title, year, publisher, genre. Not sure why I'm getting this error. Didn't misspell anything. I have no idea why this isn't working. Did I misspell it on the new, maybe? Title, year, publisher, genre. Or is this just because I'm form resubmitting or whatever? No. Param is missing or the value is empty. Game. It's got these. Definitely just being dumb. If you're wanting to skip through, I'll like wave my hands when I actually figure out how to get this correct, so you can you can skip until I do that. I feel like it should be video game, right? Because it's a video game like that, but it's not how it is on here. To do. Is that what the to do is called? Right. Tell me this isn't why. No, I don't need that. That's why, isn't it? I'm telling you, that's why. Really? What did I just do? It's a different error, so that's good. Oh, I accidentally added another one of that, maybe. Good, maybe. Why is it failing? What is it sending that it doesn't like? Title, year, publisher, genre. That's awesome. If at game.save. That is really annoying. Maybe if I click it more, it'll work. Unprocessable entity. Man, this is really obnoxious. Oh, really? I did not realize that. This has to be action. Okay, well, I had it right the whole time, so that's great. Yeah, my game is now an action game, so there we go. How do I do this? If I had a bug, I mean, I guess whatever, I'm just gonna say that I did this in quite a while, and then I'll just put the bug under it. Model madness. Is it 2Ds? I don't know. Doesn't matter. Okay. There we go. Add, delete, destroy route. Okay. Sorry, I'm just completely lost what I'm doing here. Okay. Delete. Delete. So I'm deleting the video game with the ID, and then what is it? 2 video games destroy, which means I then have to call this destroy, but I need to do this first. Okay, I guess I'll do this first. I'll add the link to it. So I gotta do it a little bit differently here. What am I looking for? Just open it again. Delete here. So I want a link to, and now we know that. Never mind. We gotta do it like that. Awesome. Link to. What was it called originally? Delete. But it has to be a button that looks like a link. So it's button 2, actually. I'm just going to restart because I want all of that good stuff. Okay, never mind. It doesn't know that stuff. I'm going to copy this because there's a lot of stuff that I don't really know what it does, like this turbo stuff. I know that we talked about it briefly in class, but I want this to be delete. I want this to be video game path G. Method delete, date of this, awesome. And then in order to make it not a button, we need to add some bootstrap, some class. Button link, is that what it is? Awesome. Let's see if this works. No. Video game path does not like that. Deploying. No, it's not that. Where's the routes? First of all, this should be video games. Is that what the issue is? No. Or should it be video game? Maybe I should check that first. Yeah. I don't know why that is not what it's supposed to be. Track path. It's not gonna work. It's gonna work, okay. Okay, there we go. It was video games. Why is this here? Oh. So yeah. It's here, here, here. Pt1. Okay, and then the final thing we do is we add a def destroy, and this one's a bit easier. At game equals video game dot delete, maybe. So first I gotta find it. At game equals video game dot find. It's params ID. Dot destroy. And then we need to flash the success. Flash success. Video game successfully deleted. And then redirect to it should be video game URL. Video game URL. Please work. Let's delete this. Oh, that is an error that we had at one point. It's because there is a plural somewhere. Tell me that my fix isn't what did it. That is annoying. Why would it not be video games? Dot 1.